Good morning, students of class 9B. In the period of geography, we are going to start a new chapter, chapter 8, that is earthquakes. What is an earthquake? A disturbance under the ground due to the tectonic forces. Tremors are felt on the earth's surface. I repeat, due to the disturbance under the ground in tectonic forces, tremors reach to the earth's surface, or tremors are felt on the earth's surface is called an earthquake. What are these tectonic forces? We know the big rock plates are floating on the semi-liquid jelly materials and these rock plates are moving. Sometimes they come closer to each other, sometimes these plates go far away from each other. In this way, there is a disturbance in the stability of those plates. The disturbance that causes due to force of instability that produces tremors, means the vibrations or shaking of the earth surface, those we feel in the form of an earthquake. So I define it again. The disturbance inside the surface due to tectonic forces, the tremors reach to the earth's surface. Tremors are the waves. Reach to the earth's surface and we feel an earthquake. Focus. Few terminologies after that. Focus, epicenter, seismic wave, seismograph, seismology, and magnitude. Magnitude or intensity. First of all, about the focus. This is the origin of an earthquake. Origin of the earthquake that lies inside the earth. Origin of the earthquake that lies inside the earth. In other words, we can say from where the seismic waves or tremors starts, that point of origin lies inside the surface. So the point of origin of those waves and tremors hidden inside the earth's surface is called the origin of the earthquake. We name that as focus. Epicenter. This is the point or place on the earth's surface where the tremors are felt at first. This lies on the earth's surface, where the tremors or waves or shaking of earthquake, shaking of the earth's surface are felt at first on the earth's surface. That region is called the epicenter. The seismic waves, due to disturbance inside the earth's surface, that is the cause of tectonic forces, waves are released in the form of energy towards the earth's surface. Those waves are called seismic waves. Seismograph. Seismograph is a device that is used to record the earthquake. That is used to record the earthquake. Seismograph is a device. Seismology is the subject under which the earthquake is studied, magnitude or intensity. Magnitude or intensity is the amount that is released during an earthquake. Amount of energy that is released during an earthquake is called magnitude or intensity. In other words, we can say the power of earthquake is the magnitude or intensity. This depends on these three factors: total amount of energy released by an earthquake, the distance from the epicenter to the origin, the distance from the epicenter to the origin of an earthquake, and the types of rocks. If the amount of energy released is huge, that earthquake is considered as a powerful earthquake. If the distance between the epicenter and the focus is less, that earthquake will be powerful. And the distance, and if the distance between the epicenter and focus will be more, then that earthquake will be less powerful. The types of rocks. This type of rocks protect the seismic waves to reach to the earth's surface. If the rocks are hard and tough and very strong, these make the seismic waves weak, and we feel weak tremors on the earth's surface. But if the rocks are weak, those rocks cannot protect the seismic waves, and we feel the powerful tremors on the earth's surface. Therefore, intensity or the magnitude of an earthquake depends on these three factors. The first is the amount of energy that is released during an earthquake. Second is the distance between the epicenter and the focus. And third is the types of rocks.